Just keep breathing. Just keep breathing. I've got a skyline made of broken signs, neon scars and borrowed time. Every road I take bends out of shape, leaves me chasing ghosts through the rain. I've been a shadow in a crowded room, a name that fades too soon. But there's a spark beneath the flood, a pulse still beating through the mud. So let the thunder call my name. I've got nothing left to say. Nothing left to say. I'm a hurricane halo, fire wrapped in falling snow. I've been dragged beneath the undertow, but I won't let go. Let the heavens split open, let the darkness take its shot. Every scar becomes a battle cry. I'm everything they said I'm not. I'm everything they said I'm not. I'm flown away to second place, like chains around my chest. But every crack inside these walls lets another beam break in. Though walls can howl, a city can burn, I'll still be standing here with lightning in my bloodstream and no more room for fear. So let the thunder call my name. I've got nothing left to say. Nothing left to say. I'm a hurricane halo, fire wrapped in falling snow. I've been dragged beneath the undertow, but I won't let go. Let the heavens split open, let the darkness take its shot. Every scar becomes a battle cry. I'm everything they said I'm not. They said I'm not. They told me I'd never be enough. Maybe they're right, but I'm still here. I won't drown. I won't drown. I won't break. I won't break. I survived every mistake. If the world wants a villain, I won't trade. Then I'll give it a storm. I'm a hurricane.